Hello guys, good afternoon. Product feature for today, we have installed our Viofo motorcycle dash cam. This is the MT1 model on this Yamaha Xmax, and we're just gonna take you on a quick tour on the product. This is a front camera, so we opted to mount it a little bit higher on the front end just to give it that more overview shot when the customer is driving. And for the rear camera, it's just behind here, right there. And we have this facing the back, so if you're going to be driving, you would also be able to record the rear of the vehicle. And what's special about this one is that you can actually connect your phone for the visibility or the view. You can change the settings, you can access the footage on the camera, and pretty much what you would like to do. Let's switch over to the rear camera. That's the rear view. Okay, and if you want to have an overlay setup, so the front camera and the rear camera, and then you can also switch it over to single view alone. So you can do all the settings. You can see if everything is working and functional. Now take note that this is a full HD resolution for the front and full HD resolution on the rear as well, with a Sony Starvis sensor. Alright guys, so again, this is the product feature. This is our Viofo MT1 motorcycle dashcam, available exclusively here at Liveworks Philippines. Have a great day.